Hi friends, welcome to Samora bot tutorial. Today I will show you how you can convert website into a chatbot. Here we go. If you don't have this app before, you can go to Play Store and search for Samora bot. After there, you click on the second option here, free website builder. Now let us assume you have installed the app and you open it with your phone. And we have the second here, free website builder. Now you need to create a website first. The only thing about this chatbot is that you can only convert website created with this app into a chatbot. You can't use another platform, another website, except website created with this app. Now here we go. If you have the app, if you have the website before, you can log into the website manager, and you don't have, type 1. Now, what is your website name? Let me call it Demo 2. Now, your email address, then your password. Now after here, you can see my website is created successfully. You can click here to check your website. Click here. Alright, this is the preview of my website. It is still loading. Good. Now all the contents we have here, you can edit them from your website manager. You can see all we have here. Scroll down. So wait a minute, it's still loading. Now you can see it is loaded fully. Now we have different section on this website. You can click on the menu here. Good. Now the first thing you need to do is enter this website build website manager. You click on this place. Now select the portal you want. Now it's online store, logistics, online school, business website. So we have different platform here. So we want to go to online school. Let me just select this. Any platform you like, I can select. So let me select on this. My phone number. Anything you like, I'll just put here. Is a WhatsApp, so that you can put your phone number. Anything you can select the default button. Now what will be the text? Let me put enroll now. Then you update, and you can select. You can change this into WhatsApp number. Anything you like, you can put it there. So I prefer default button. So let me update it. Good. Now after this, you can quickly go to settings. Anything you want to apply to your website, maybe the address, this address, you can edit the address here. Now here we are going is how to convert this website into a chatbot. Now let's quickly do that now. You come straight to, now to start, click on this website manager again. Click on go to add-ons. Click on plus. Now you can see website to chatbot converter. So you need to install it. Good. After here, click on bot setup. Enable it. Now what will be the message? Any message you like, you can put here. It can be greeting message. Anything you like, you put here. Now what is the chatbot color you want? Is it this color? Or this or black? Is it red or this? Now let's save it. Good. Now we have two buttons. The first one is preview. While the second one is the second one is preview. While the third one is download as CPK. So that means you can download this. You can preview it. Let me click on this. As you can see, my website has changed to a chatbot. Now, all the menus I have on my website, I have this about us, syllabus, courses, our tutors, and login to study. So, let's go back here. And now you download it. When I click on this place, it will open it here. As you can see, it is converting it into Android app for me, so you need to wait till this thing gets to 100%. After that, you will see a button to download it, to upload it to Play Store as well. So let's go back. Now let me check my website again and check if it has changed to chatbot. You click on this place. This is my website on browser. So you can see this is the browser and this is my chatbot. Good. Now let us go back to this place to test run our chatbot, how it works. This is website manager. You go to add-ons. Now on this place you can preview it. So when you click on preview, now let's check it out. Now on this I can type 1. So when I type 1, this is how it works. When I type 1, that one is for about us. So if I type, let me type 0 to go to the main menu. You can see this is the main menu. So if I type 2 for syllabus, you can see the syllabus I have. All these are text. They are just samples that you need to edit them from your chatbot manager or your website manager. So you can type 0 to go back to the main menu. Let me type 6 to log into to study. You can see. So the chatbot can perform all the functionalities of your website. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn how to design your website fully, you can go to, let's go to service.com/Samora School. Now on this website, you learn how to design your website completely. We have different tutorials on this place. So you can quickly come back to this place, go to your website manager. On this place, go to settings. You can see we have syllabus that will be displayed on the chatbot. You can edit them, you can delete them and add yours. You can go to courses, all your courses, so that people can enroll through your chatbot. You can see, so delete them, add new ones. Thanks for watching.